Start. All right. Unfreeze. Okay, so we have 4 times 3 over x minus 5 plus 2. This is equal to f of g of x. What do you? Okay. Yes. You take g of x, you have f of g of x, which is also equivalent to f of g of x. All right, let's make sure we're on task here. You take g of x and you plug it into f of x. So you take g of x goes inside of f of x. So g of x becomes the input into f of x. So what do we do next? Distribute the 4. So it's 4 times 3 is 12. Yep. We have 12 over x minus 5 plus 2. Yes, 4. I mean, no.
So when you distribute, it's only to the numerator?
No, you 4 only goes to the numerator. Because 4 as a fraction is 4 over 1.
So how about, wait, we can't multiply like that. So 4 over 1 times 3 over x minus 5.
So.
And then when you like have to multiply x minus 5.
By 1, which is x minus 5.
And by 4.
No. So 4, look. 4, so this is how you multiply. Oh. 2/3 times 4. What is this equal to? 6/3. 4 times 2 is not 8.
Oh, 8 over 4 plus.
All right, 4 times 2 goes in because you only multiply the numerator.
I know. I always put it over 1 and then we do all of that.
Yeah. Roger, can you please take your seat? All right, we got to, guys, we need to be less. Look, the more off task instructed we are, the less mental problems we get. What is that?
I just don't understand.
You need midterm prep sheet 2. You need 1 and 2.
Actually, can you do, what if it was G of
Here's midterm prep sheet 1.
Oh, that's the answer?
I mean, I mean, this is the solution. If you wanted to simplify this further, you could multiply 2 by x minus 5 over x minus 5, and so you could get, yes. Well, this 12 over x minus 5 plus 2 is a perfectly acceptable answer. All right, but if I wanted to have all have a common denominator, I could have 12 over x minus 5 plus 2x minus 10 over x minus 5.
Leadership program.
So I could rewrite this as
report to the media center. The VAMP
2x plus 2
program. Thank you.
over x minus 5. But yeah, once you get here, I mean, this is a simplified version, but once you get here, this is a solution. What was that? Okay, so.
Oh, never mind.
12 minus 10 is positive 2, plus 2x is 2x. That's how you have a common denominator. Both of these are correct answers. If you, it's multiple choice. So let's say 12 over x minus 5 plus 2 is the correct answer. Because this is the correct form of the right answer, right? But then the multiple choice answer is 2x plus 2 over x minus 5. You're going to have to be able to select the correct answer. So you could use a calculator to plug it in, evaluate values for x. You use Desmos. Oh, so I mean, all we're doing is you just, to get a common denominator, you multiply by the common denominator you need, and distribute that too, and then add across. All right. Once again, let's cut that chatter. Okay. So I did not have a common denominator when I had 12 over x minus 5 plus 2. So in order to get the common denominator, I needed the common denominator of x minus 5 because you need a common denominator to add fractions. So multiply 2 by x minus 5 over x minus 5. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. So I had 12 over x minus 5 plus 2x minus 10 over x minus 5, which is equivalent to 2. Yes? The first answer is correct, but it can simplify to 2x plus 2 over x minus 5. If you're correct, both of these terms are equivalent to f of g of x. So if you got 12 over x minus 5 plus 2, this is correct. This is equal to f of g of x. But your answer choice was 2x plus 2 over x minus 5. You just need to be able to know that this correct answer is equivalent to this correct answer. Because of what I just did. Like because of finding the common denominator, all right, distributing the 2 across the common denominator over itself, adding the fractions with the common denominator, and simplifying. All right. What is the next problem that is giving you all? Just go down? Okay.